Hidden gems, undervalued stocks in the U.S. market. Welcome, fellow investors, to this exciting journey where we uncover some hidden gems within the vast and dynamic U.S. stock market. Today, we'll delve into the world of undervalued stocks, those hidden treasures often overlooked by the masses but have the potential to offer substantial returns. But before we begin, let's understand what undervalued stocks are. An undervalued stock is a company's share that, in the eyes of investors, appears to be trading at a price below its intrinsic value. This disconnect between the stock's current price and its true worth represents an opportunity for savvy investors like you. The market is influenced by various factors, such as economic conditions, industry trends, and investor sentiments. Sometimes, due to temporary setbacks or unfavorable market conditions, excellent companies might experience a decline in their stock prices, causing them to be undervalued. However, history has shown us that these hidden gems have the potential to rebound, offering significant returns over the long term as the market recognizes their true value. So, how can you identify these undervalued gems? Here are some characteristics to look out for: low price to earnings, P/E ratio. Stocks with a low P/E ratio compared to their industry peers might indicate undervaluation. Strong fundamentals. Look for companies with solid financials, strong revenue growth, and healthy profit margins. Dividend yield. A healthy dividend yield might suggest a company is sharing its profits with shareholders. Price to book, P/B ratio. A low P/B ratio could indicate that the stock is trading below its book value. Remember, undervalued stocks can be found in various sectors: technology, healthcare, finance, and more. Thoroughly research companies across different industries to identify potential gems. Due diligence is crucial. Dig deep into the company's financial reports, earnings calls, and future growth prospects to make informed decisions. It's important to note that investing in undervalued stocks involves risks, just like any investment. Diversify your portfolio and invest only what you can afford to lose. Patience is key. Sometimes it takes time for the market to recognize the true potential of undervalued stocks. Be prepared to hold for the long term to reap the rewards. So, fellow investors, as you set out on your quest for hidden gems within the U.S. market, remember that careful research, a keen eye, and a patient approach are your best allies. Happy investing, and may you uncover some truly remarkable hidden gems. Thank you for watching.